Anushka Vani, correspondent at EM and A&E magazine, and welcome back to the Morning Bytes with Anushka. This podcast is brought to you by Star Engine. This week's headlines focuses on the business and industrial updates from India and across the globe so that you can kickstart your week. In today's episode, we will talk about India's first industrial automation product trading company. Industrial Ethernet switch market size is predicted to reach USD 5.36 billion, position sensor market to hit $10 billion, smart manufacturing market to surpass USD 759.23 billion by 2030. India's robot boom hits all-time high. Siemens NEMA motor division is acquired by ABB to better service the oil and gas industry. Global Business Innovation Program was held in Pune with a mission of power electronics, machine and electric drive. Laduru Engineering and Automation announces the launch of Indmall Automation, the first industrial automation product trading company in Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh, India. Indmall Automation seeks to give regional businesses access to top-tier automation goods and parts from well-known manufacturers, including Pepperell Fuchs, Omron Automation, Loze, Autonix, Delta, and Panasonic. Indmall Automation has an extensive line of product offering including proximity sensors, photoelectric sensors, rotary encoders, fiber optic sensors, ultrasonic sensors, distance sensors, laser sensors, temperature controllers, timers, counters, panel meters, pulse meters, programmable logic controllers, HMI, variable frequency drives, servo motors and servo drives, color sensors, safety light curtains, safety scanners, safety switches, switch mode power supply, limit switches and more. Ethernet is the industry standard for networking technologies enabling devices connections. Ethernet makes it possible to connect numerous computers, gadgets, machines, etc. to a single network. The most extensively used and well-linked network technology today is Ethernet. Office Ethernet is less reliable than industrial Ethernet switch systems. Recently, the term industrial Ethernet switch has gained popularity in the manufacturing sector. The industrial Ethernet switch market size is predicted to reach USD 5.36 billion at a compound annual growth rate of 7.10% by 2030, as mentioned by the report of Market Research Future. The report also forecasts that the market will grow strongly at CAGR of more than 7.10% throughout the assessment timeframe. Position sensor market to hit $10 billion by 2032, says Global Market Insights. The industry is expected to register 8% CAGR between 2023 to 2032 due to increasing demand from the automotive industry. Research offers a thorough analysis of the top winning strategies, drivers and opportunities, competitive environment, ebb and flow of market trends, market size, statistics and estimations, and key investment pockets. The demand for position sensors would be influenced by the growing trend of automation in manufacturing processes. The demand for position sensors would be influenced by the growing trend of automation in manufacturing processes. Robotics and industrial automation are increasingly being used by manufacturers to boost business profitability through improved production efficiency while ensuring worker safety. The preference for position sensors in robotics and industrial automation will become more firmly established as government support for Industry 4.0 adoption grows. The master plan for the acceleration and expansion of Indonesia's economic development in Indonesia, Industry Forward in Malaysia, and the Samarth Udyog Bharat 4.0 in India are a few examples of such government efforts. Some of the key reasons for position sensor market growth are increasing demand from the automotive industry, increasing trend towards automation of production processes, rapid IoT and cloud computing integration, growing disposition towards predictive maintenance, rising demand for precision agriculture and smart farming practices. Before we go ahead, let's talk QVI, a world-leading manufacturer of precision multi-sensor metrology systems for industrial quality control.
50,000 passenger flights each day depend on reliable jet engine power, something millions of passengers take for granted. Behind that reliability is some of the world's most advanced manufacturing technology. Measurement systems from QVI are part of it. The precision QVI brings to aerospace component manufacturers helps make air transportation more routine. From ensuring that thousands of parts in a jet engine deliver power when it's needed, to making sure your seatbelt stays latched for takeoff. Plastic bottles help keep us going when we're on the run. And when we put the cap back on our water bottle, we know it won't spill. When it comes to thermomolded plastics, manufacturers rely on QVI precision for fast, accurate dimensional control of their molding process. For mold makers, that precision means fast, accurate thread and seal surface measurements. For the rest of us, precision means longer shelf life and fewer spills from bottled drinks. Safety, reliability, and fuel economy are factors we take for granted every time we drive, yet all depend on thousands of close-tolerance parts assembled perfectly. Automotive manufacturers rely on precision measurements at dozens of points in the making of every part, from cylinder heads to drive shafts to anti-lock brakes. More often than not, they turn to QVI for flexible measuring systems that perform day in and day out, right on the shop floor. Just a few years ago, prosthetic joints were largely a dream. Today, they're a common way to renew mobility and extend active lives. When it comes to surgical implants and drug delivery systems, precision is everything. QVI's advanced multi-sensor technologies allow medical device manufacturers to measure critical dimensions more reliably than ever before. From a syringe that delivers the correct dose to a knee implant with a perfect fit. Precision improves the quality of care and life for patients every day. Smartphones and tablets are essential tools for staying connected, in business and for life. Sleek and durable designs let us take our devices with us anywhere. Portable devices are incredibly complex to build. QVI measurement systems deliver the precision needed to fabricate circuits, etch hard disk heads, and fit touchscreen panels to the coolest phone cases. At the end of the day, QVI systems help make wireless mobile devices work on the go. Every great story has a beginning. Ours starts with people, the people who bring our precision to life, and the people whose lives are improved because of it. With more than 400 dedicated employees offering local support to manufacturers in more than 75 countries, QVI and our partners deliver precision across the entire spectrum of industry, from global manufacturers to local job shops. Precision for people is more than something we say. It's what we stand for.
A recent study by SNS Insider mentions that the smart manufacturing market to surpass USD 759.23 billion by 2030, driven by growing trend of digitalization and integration of smart manufacturing systems with other processes. Innovations in technologies like the Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, big data analytics, as well as the demand for affordable, effective manufacturing processes. Rising industrial automation demand and rising adoption of Industry 4.0 across various industries are the growth drivers for the smart manufacturing market. The report mentions some of the key company profiles such as ABB, Siemens, General Electric, Rockwell Automation, Schneider Electric, Honeywell International, Emerson Electric, Phonak, and others. 4,945 industrial robot installation sets, a new record for sales in India. This represents a 54% increase over the prior year. India is currently 10th internationally in terms of annual installations. These are the conclusions of the World Robotics Study that the International Federation of Robotics delivered. India is one of the world's fastest growing industrial economies, said Mariana Bill, President of the International Federation of Robotics. Within 5 years, the operational stock of industrial robots has more than doubled to reach 33,220 units in 2021. This corresponds to an average annual growth rate of 16% since 2026. India's economy currently ranks 5th in the world in terms of manufacturing production. India's manufacturing value added reached USD 443.9 billion in 2021, up 21.6% from 2020, according to figures from the World Bank. In today's fast-paced and ever-changing business environment, where innovations and technology are constantly emerging, it is essential for industries and businesses to remain up to date and to adapt to evolving landscape. Our objective is to assist you in staying ahead of the curve by providing you with the latest developments and trends. Join our community to remain informed and keep pace with the changes unfolding in your industry. Siemens NEMA Motor Division is acquired by ABB to better service the oil and gas industry. The purchase of this company is a successful expansion plan for the motion business area. It improves ABB's standing as a top industrial NEMA motor manufacturer and gives the company an even more solid foundation from which to better serve its clients across the world. During the second quarter of 2023, the line of horizontal and vertical induction heavy-duty and general-purpose motors will be rebranded as ABB and reintroduced to the market. Industrial electric motors are predominantly used in North America and represent the $2.7 billion global NEMA motor market. NEMA motors are crucial parts utilized to power machinery in sectors like oil and gas, as well as uses like those that move units, liquid and air. A global business innovation program was held in Pune with the mission of power electronics, machine and electric drives. India represents an exciting partner for collaboration in this sector to address key challenges in the supply chain for both countries. Innovative UK is currently working on developing an industrial CR&D funding program with the Government of India, which is expected to open in early 2023. That was it for this week's industrial updates. We will be back next week. For more updates, log on to www.pi-india.in. Thank you and have a nice day.